We're now going to look at how to move data from numbers through pages to Gr4, and of course from Gr4 back to numbers. I'm going to highlight my data. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to a pages document and I'm going to paste it. I'm now going to File, Export from Pages. I'm going to select plain text and I'm going to name it Numbers to Page to Gr4, and it will be a text file, and I'm just going to place it on my desktop. Okay, I'm now going to go to my Gr4 file. I'm going to say equation new point set. I'm going to go and say edit points. I'm going to delete the third column and I'm going to delete these points, and I'm going to go down and say import. Go to my desktop, find that text file, leave everything as default and say open, and there I have my data. Click OK, and then of course I could manipulate this data in the inspector. And could also do a linear regression. Okay, let's see how we would take that data set back if we had it originally in Gr4 and wanted to move it to numbers. I'm going to delete this equation, and I'm going to say and look at my data set, edit points, and I'm going to say export, and I'm going to save it as Gr4 to numbers. I'm putting it on the desktop, and now I'm going to the desktop file, Gr4 to numbers. I'm going to select it and I'm going to open with numbers. Open with. And there we have our data set. And of course we could manipulate our data. And that's how you can most easily move your data from numbers through pages to Gr4, and from Gr4 to a file back into numbers.